తాండూరు పట్టణంలోని అక్షర కాన్సెప్ట్ స్కూల్లో ఎన్నికల సందడి నెలకొంది. సోమవారం పాఠశాలలో హెడ్ బాయ్, హెడ్ గర్ల్, స్కూల్ సెక్రటరీలకు 2024-2027 సంవత్సరానికి గాను ప్రిన్సిపల్ మోహన్ కృష్ణ గౌడ్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో ఎన్నికలు నిర్వహించారు. ఉదయం నుంచి స్కూల్లో ఎన్నికల సందడి ఏర్పడింది. అసెంబ్లీ ఎన్నికల తరహాలో పాఠశాలకు చెందిన విద్యార్థులు ఓటు హక్కును వినియోగించుకున్నారు. 3వ తరగతి నుంచి 10వ తరగతి వరకు విద్యార్థులు ఓటు వేశారు. ఓటు వేసి స్కూల్ హెడ్ బాయ్ గా మణిదీప్, హెడ్ గర్ల్ గా యువశ్రీ, గేమ్స్ సెక్రటరీగా సాదియా 9వ తరగతి, సైన్స్ సోషల్ సెక్రటరీగా సమీక్ష 9వ తరగతి, లిటేవరీ సెక్రటరీగా హరిణి 9వ తరగతిలను ఎన్నుకోగా 9వ తరగతి నుంచి రెడ్ హౌస్, బ్లూ హౌస్, ఎల్లో హౌస్, గ్రీన్ హౌస్ విభాగాలలో కెప్టెన్, సెక్రటరీ, వైస్ కెప్టెన్లను ఎన్నుకున్నారు. అనంతరం స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ మోహన్ కృష్ణ, ఉపాధ్యాయులు యూనుస్, ప్రవీణ్ తదితరులు ఎన్నికల్లో విజయం సాధించిన విద్యార్థులను అభినందించారు. విద్యార్థులు నాయకత్వ లక్షణాలను అలవర్చుకోవాలని సూచించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఉపాధ్యాయులు, సిబ్బంది, విద్యార్థులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Okay, have you casted your vote?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me the finger? Yeah, exactly. Okay, Varsha, tell me, what are the qualities you want to see from your elected candidate?
They have to see all the schools. They have to maintain correctly, like they have to vote for.
Are these elections helpful for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What qualities are you expecting from the leaders?
They will maintain well. They will see the classes well.
Okay, thank you, Varsha. What's your name?
My name is Sadia from 6th to 7th class.
Tell me, Sadia, what is happening in your school today?
We are electing our leaders. Our school is conducting elections in our school because we have to choose our leaders in our school. For electing leaders, we are casting our votes in our school.
Okay, how the elections are important in our school? Are they going to help you for future?
Yes.
In what sense they are going to help you? Are they related to any state elections or parliament elections? Okay, that's okay. Could you please tell me how these leaders, what quality do you want to see in them?
I want to see the qualities in our leaders that they have to maintain our school in English environment, and they have to maintain for our children to be in discipline, and they want to encourage our students, and they want to remove from our stage fear.
Thank you very much, Sadia. Have you casted your vote?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Manidip, tell me about today's event. What is happening here?
We feel very glad about this, sir, as we get the voting opportunity now itself. But in the real life, we get vote at 18 years age. But now we got vote to elect our leaders and cabinet members. We feel very happy.
Okay, are you contesting for any post here?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Head boy post.
Head boy. Okay, all the best for that. And I hope very soon as the results come. Okay. Okay, Manidip, tell me what qualities one should have as a leader.
He should be well educated, and he should be regular to the school. He should be punctual and should not speak any bad words. He should maintain an English atmosphere surrounding him.
Okay. Are these elections helpful for your future?
Yes, sir. We get experiences from these elections, and we could select our leaders correctly at the age of 18.
Okay. Are there any changes you are going to do if you gonna elect?
Yes, sir. I want to make English atmosphere in our school, and I want to maintain a disciplined manner by to the students, and I'll make them to be first in everything and to participate in the cultural activities such as games, dancing, singing, music.
Okay, Manidip, tell me how you are going to support your students.
I support and encourage them by making them to participate in the cultural activities and make them to play games and maintain an English atmosphere in the school.
Do you think that you have that ability to handle any kind of a problem smoothly?
Sir. I can handle any kind of problems easily. But if I get any some problems, I will ask to our principal sir and my cabinet members also.
Okay, thank you, Manidip. Thank you for your. What's your name?
My name is Aditi. I am studying in 9th class.
Okay, Aditi, please tell me what is happening in the school today.
Elections are going in our school, and I am playing the role of State Chief Election Commissioner. State Election Commissioner is an autonomous and instituted to ensure that elections are conducted in free, fair, and biased ways. State Election Commissioner is responsible for elections for urban local bodies like municipalities and municipal corporations. They are appointed by governments. Thank you.
Okay, are you contesting for any post in these elections?
Yes, I am unanimously elected as Blue House Vice Captain, which is a great, precious opportunity I got from our school. And I will try my level best to serve for my school.
Thank you, Aditi. Do you think that is there ability? Do you have that ability to solve those problems whichever come across by the students?
Yes, I think I have the ability to solve all the problems students have, and who I will definitely help those students who need me at any time.
Thank you, Aditi. What is happening in school today?
The elections are going to be.
What elections? School elections?
Yeah.
Whom you are going to vote today?
I am unable to say that.
What qualities do you see in any head girl or a head boy whom you are going?
I would like to see the communication skills, honesty, work ethics, and the time punctuality.
Are these school elections going to help you in future?
Yeah, sir. If we get more information in the school itself, it will help us in the future in the state and national elections.
Okay, thank you, Alia. Bhanupriya, did you cast your vote? Did you cast your vote? Okay. Well, what are the qualities would you like to see after electing the candidates?
Person elected as a leader, they want to take the responsibility of school and students and listen the instructions of headmaster and the class teachers and do work in a polite way. So these are the qualities of the leader.
Why it is important to conduct school elections?
It is important to conduct school elections because we want to elect the leaders for our institution.
Sorry, can you repeat it again?
It is important to vote in school elections because we want to elect our leader to institution.
All right. Well, all right. Which class are you studying right now?
7th.
Would you like to participate as a contestant in future
Yes, I'd like to participate as a contestant.
for any particular post?
As a Red House Vice.
Okay. Thank you, Bhanupriya. What's your name?
Sanjana Vaishnav,
Sanjana. Which class are you studying?
9th class.
Sanjana, could you please tell me what is happening in the school today?
Elections are going to held in our school.
All right. So, are you contesting for any post?
Yeah, I am directly elected as Dina's Vice Captain.
Already you have an name.
Yes, I am.
Okay, very good. Now, Greenhouse
Vice Captain.
Vice Captain. Very good. Congratulations for that.
Thank you, sir.
Do you think that you have the ability to handle if students come across any problem?
I am sure enough that I will handle it. If they will cooperate, I will make sure my team is best.
Okay.
That's it.
Tell me, are these school elections are important?
These are very much important as we can elect our head girl, head boys and cabinet leaders by our own and by choosing good leaders for the school.
Okay, just now you are sitting there as a presiding officer. Did you learn anything after that? I mean, share your experience as a presiding officer. Did you learn anything? Participating, being a presiding officer, did you learn anything from it?
Presiding officer is responsible for conducting polling station Polling officer is responsible for conduct in their polling station and make sure that he must have good knowledge about voting procedures and as a presiding officer, he is responsible for all the instructions compelling on the integrity and secrecy for a ballot.
Okay, thank you, Sanjana. Okay, what kind of a changes are you expecting after these elections?
I am expecting the English environment, discipline, and the leader should be so politely and should maintain properly and should be so much in discipline.
Okay, thank you.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Aditi. I am studying in 9th class.
Okay, Aditi, please tell me what is happening in the school today?
Elections are running in our school today. I am playing the role of State Chief Election Commissioner.
Okay, very good. Have you contested for any post in this election?
Yes, I am unanimously elected as Blue House Vice Captain, which is a great opportunity I have got from our school.
Okay, congratulations for that. Aditi, tell me, are these elections going to help for the children?
Yeah, in many ways it may be helpful for children. Like they can have an experience how to elect leaders in their futures. If they elect now, they can be experienced for future, like which type of leader we have to elect, what are the qualities of good candidate. So it is very helpful for future.
Okay, you have elected as Blue House Vice Captain, right? So, if any student come to you and ask they have so and so problem and ask you to solve it, how you're gonna solve it?
It would depend upon the matter how it is. If it is normal, polite matter, I will handle it in polite way, and I am sure that I would definitely handle any type of problem students have.
Okay, what are the changes would you like to bring in this school atmosphere?
The changes that I would like to bring are every student should maintain discipline, punctuality, good manners, and English speaking in their environment. And they should respect their teachers, parents, and everyone who are elder than the students.
Okay, thank you, Aditi.
Thank you.
What is happening in your school today?
Today the elections are going to held in our school. So we are going to elect the leaders for the cabinet leaders for our school.
Okay, what kind of a qualities do you like to see in the leaders whom you're going to cast your vote?
Their communicating skills, the promises they had done to make the school better than before.
Okay, what kind of a changes would you like to see in your school?
The infrastructure facilities and the promises which they had done about by their promises, by that the school may develop.
Would you like to see any changes in our school?
Yes.
What kind of a changes would you like to see in future?
In improving discipline in the students, but some members won't follow the discipline. By their promises, we can help.
Thank you very much. What's happening in your school today?
Today the elections are going in our school, so we are stood here to vote our representative.
Okay, before casting your vote, do you have anything in your mind to whom you should give vote? Why you should give the vote exactly?
Yes.
All right. What qualities do you see in any leader?
Their integrity, their patience, their communication skills, and their passion and their vision.
Okay, thank you. And are these elections helpful for you in future?
Yes. Our school has also provided this voter slip. The real elections also will provide voter slip. So to create such beautiful environment by this voter slip, I think it will be useful.
What are there any changes would you like to see in future by the elected candidates in the school?
Few changes maybe by school infrastructure facilities and maybe discipline.
Okay. Anything else? Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you.
With symbols and their voter slip they are giving there, and she is checking whether his or her name is in there in the list or not. there is no chance of bogus here, and they are how to maintain the proper queue. So here police officers are also there to maintain the discipline in the school. So each and everything from the school onwards only, we are making them proper knowledge about the how to vote and how to stand in the queue and how to wait and how to elect the proper student who fight for their rights in the school level. Thank you, Sri.
Sir, is it necessary to conduct school elections?
Yes, it is very important to conduct school elections in the school cabinet. It will be useful for the teachers also, even for the management members also. When we elect these leaders, they will take part in all the activities, and it will be very easy for the teachers regarding to maintain the discipline in the classes as well as maintain the discipline at the school ground, and while they are entering into the school and while they are living in the school. So all these things, duties, they will perform by the leaders, and if any problems will be faced in the classroom, that will be rectified by the class leaders, and if it is not possible by them, they will bring notice to the head boy and the head girl, so that it will be easy for them to solve all the problems which are the minor problems, solve at their class level only, and it will be easy for the school principal also.
Sir, how it is useful for future of these students?
Yes, why? Because it is useful for the teacher means if the teacher is coming to the class when the bell rang 5 minutes late or something, so they will maintain the class in a disciplined manner. So until the teacher will come, the class is in a disciplined manner, and they sit calmly and they will read before the teacher is coming to the class.
Sir, please tell me how it is going to be helpful for future, like state when they become 18 years old. They are going to vote for their state politics, for their assemblies, and for their MPs for Parliament House. So, how it is going to help for their future?
Yes, Mr. Sinhas, already I told that this is awareness bringing elections. So when we are conducting this type of election in the school cabinet level, every academic year, so if they come out their talent, if they become in the future, if they are trying to nominate as a panchayat elections, as a sarpanch, as a councillors, as even MLAs also, this will be very helpful for the future. So they here in the school level only, they learn how to vote and how to cast and how to nominate and how to get the qualities of a leadership. They learn here clearly the quality of the leadership. So if I become the leader, I can do this. So it will be very helpful for their future to become a good leader and good citizen of India. So it will be helpful for all the elections in country.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Yellow House, okay? And the competitors are Samiksha and Vaishnavi. Samiksha. Both are getting the same number of votes.
Vaishnavi, yes, sir. It's true.
The competition is very tough. Wait for the result.
Samiksha.
Yellow House students, listen here carefully. The competition is very tough between
Yes, sir. Yes, between very tough. Vaishnavi, Samiksha. Okay.
both the competitors are getting the same vote from 9th class.
Srija.
Result is coming soon. Cultural secretary for this academic year. Is it clear? Yes. From Cultural secretary, competition is between Sadia and Mahin from 9th standard. Okay? So counting is already started. So wait for the result. Okay? pending. Final result is not yet. You have to wait. So still the result is in pending. Candidates are rechecking their votes. After this, within few seconds, the Red House Secretary results will be declared. And Board Secretary results are announced. So means Red House Secretary. So game sign, Board Secretary in charges for the academic year 2024 and 25. The competition is between, as I said earliest, Mahin and Sadia from 9th standard. So Mahin got number of votes 14. So put your hands together for us. And for this academic year, Games and Sports Secretary will be Sadia, who is the winner. She got 61 votes. Are completed of counting votes. Now the candidates and the participants are checking their votes. After few seconds, the result is in front of you. Academic year. Now students, can you guess who is your social science secretary? So Vaishnavi got 21 votes. Winner by social science secretary, none other than, your guess is correct, Samiksha from she got 55 votes. Cultural secretary is none other than Rika from
Year 2024 and 25, the head girl for this institution is one student has secured 55 votes and the one more student has secured 246 votes. There was one side result was given by the students. The winner of this head girl is. Everyone keep silence for two results of head boy for this academic year 2024 and 25. As we have seen in the history of Akshara, for the first and the foremost time, there was a very big tough between these two personalities. Have secured 150 votes. Both the students have secured 150 votes, but one student has secured 4 votes more than the other person. Means one student has got 150 votes, another student has got 154 votes. So finally I am going to reveal the results of the head boy for this academic year 2024 and 25. I will raise the hand, he will be the head boy of this institution. Okay?